Hey everyone, just wanted to share with you my Skool community, and in this video I just wanted to share what you will get if you join the community today. Now, once you join the community, you'll see there's a community tab over here where you can ask me questions directly. So this is regarding any issues you're facing on GoHighLevel, automations, AI, Google Ads, Meta Ads, basically anything that you're facing as a digital agency owner or a local business owner or a freelancer or a contractor, whatever you are, whatever profession you are in. If you're facing any issues, this is where you ask me questions. Not only me, but also the other members will see your questions. So if they have the solution better than me, they can answer that. Next, if we move over to the classroom area, this is basically where I have kept all my courses. There are courses on Google Ads, Meta Ads, GoHighLevel, agency, vibe coding, tons of other different stuff. These courses are always updated on a regular basis. I go through each module, each lesson to see which one needs to be updated based on the recent trends, based on whatever has changed in the ad platforms or GoHighLevel. And these courses are not just any course that you will find online. If you have seen me on YouTube, if you have followed my content for a while, you know what type of content I cover. So if you go to this, let's see an example. You can see that this one is about GoHighLevel automation and AI. Each module will teach you an aspect, a feature of GoHighLevel. So this one covers all the automations, all the AI agents. So this is how I have structured each and every course. Now, obviously, while taking these courses, you will face issues. You can ask me again in the community area, or you can directly message me. You can shoot a quick Loom video of the issue you're facing and then send it to me and I'll take a look. Next, if we go to the calendars area, you can see that every week we have a couple of calls going on. So the first one is on Tuesday, 5 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. Eastern time. And this is basically the office hours Q&A session. So this is basically the Q&A where you can join and you can ask me questions directly and I'll give you the best solution. Or next, we have the weekly coaching session where we are covering specific topics every week. Right now, we are covering Meta Ads. Later on, we will cover GoHighLevel automation. We will cover different GoHighLevel AI agents. And these topics are covered in depth. So these are not just any course. These are communicative sessions. You can join them. You can ask me questions while I am covering those. The other thing I wanted to show you is if we move over to the classroom one more time, there's a resources module. So if I go to this one, you'll find tons of templates and resources. So you can see that we have lots of stuff on Google Ads, Meta Ads. These are basically prompts I use. These are onboarding documents. These are scope of work documents. They have some snapshots as well. And this is, again, constantly being updated. Whenever I find something that's worth sharing with you guys, I put them here in the resources area. Once again, this is everything I wish I had when I was getting started. And you can treat this community not just as a resource hub, but as a constant support for your agency or your business or your marketing profession, whatever you're in right now. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.